Want to drive hundreds and thousands of leads to your CPA marketing offers? Why not try out this strategy which I'm going to show you right here on how you can drive a lot of traffic to your CPA marketing offers and actually start earning passive income doing so. So make sure you do watch this video right here and learn this exact same strategy, because it's going to be beginners friendly strategy and 100% free strategy, meaning that you can actually take hold of this right now and start making some passive income even as a beginner in the year 2023 and beyond. So without much introduction, let's jump right into today's video. So the first step which you want to do right now is to get a CPA marketing offer which you want to promote, and you can get that right here from this platform called the CPAgrape.com. You could click on register. You'll be brought to this page right here. Just simply go on to filling out this form, and if you fill out that appropriately, you do read through the terms of services, agree to the terms of services by checking out all these boxes right here. Click on register. Your account will be created, and you could then log into your account and be brought to this dashboard right here. So select offer which you want to promote, click on offer tools, click on my offers, and you can then go on to selecting offers from any country of your choice. Maybe I want to promote offers right here to the United States. I'm just going to select the United States offers, and I will be shown a lot of offers available to this demographic right here. So guys, once you're actually in this section, you could select any offer to promote. Maybe if I do select this offer right now, I can actually get more details about this offer right here from this page. I could copy the link to this offer and actually go on to promoting this offer. So guys, once you do that, guys, you want to head on to this platform which we're actually going to be using to drive traffic to this particular CPA marketing offers today. And the platform right here is called Sproutgigs. And this website is a cool website where freelancers and business owners actually come together. Because this website right here was formerly known as the Pico Workers, but now they've rebranded and named themselves the Sproutgigs. You can see right here that this is where the world meets and actually works, and you can see it's an online marketplace that connects freelancers and business owners around the world with easy to do affordable tasks. And guys, you could actually sign up for free just by clicking on sign up. You'll be brought to this particular page where you can actually sign up by filling out this form. You could sign up either as an employer or as a worker. It doesn't really matter which you do sign up for, because you can actually do switch once you actually created your account right here on this platform. So once you actually do sign up, you can log into your account and you should be brought to a page such as this. As you can see right here, the worker right here or the buyer right here is for the worker section or the employer section, while the freelancer right here is for the worker section. So like I said, you can actually do switch right here within the account anytime which you actually do want. So once you head onto this platform, you could just simply come right here, click on micro jobs. But you want to make sure you do switch to the freelancer section right there or the worker account right there. As you can see, I've actually switched my account. You want to come right here to this section which says micro jobs. You could click on find this job right here, and once you do click on find job, you can actually see a lot of micro tasks which you could go on to doing and earning some passive income doing so. You can see right here that you could just simply complete an offer plus subscribe to the YouTube channel, and it actually get to pay you about $1.30 right here. You can see right here this offer is to just simply comment on their article, and you do get paid $1 right here. For this is just to unlock a secret code, you do get paid $1. You can see right here that there are numerous offers right here. This one right here to subscribe to their channel, you do get paid $2.01 right here, or 10 cents right there. So you can see right here that there are a lot of cool and amazing offers which you can actually do get paid full amount right here. And guys, if you keep scrolling through the offers, you can see right here that this person actually need 26 people to complete this offer, and 3 people have actually completed that offer. This one right here needs 55 people and 18 has completed that offer. This needs 66, 15 has completed this offer. And if you keep scrolling through, guys, you'll be able to see more details right here. This person needs about 5,000 people, and 4,500 have actually completed this offer right here. And guys, it's actually paying a lot of people money right here to complete offers right here. So you can actually come right here first, because you want to do this for absolutely free. You come right here, actually complete some micro tasks and actually build some money right here on this particular platform. So once you've actually gotten some money, you want to just simply make sure that you actually list your CPA marketing offers among one of these micro tasks which people can actually go on to completing, and you're going to be paying them some penny right there out of what you're getting from your CPA commission. So how do you do that right now, guys? You want to switch your account back to the buyer account or the employer account. So once you do switch that, head on to the micro job section, and you want to click on that, click on post job, where you can actually go on to posting your job. So right now, guys, you want to select the continent where that particular offer is available to. Because I'm promoting an United States offer, I'm just going to go back to Sproutgigs, click on the United States and the Western right here, and you can see this section says select all countries you want to exclude from the selected zone. And I'm going to select all countries except the United States. So once I've actually done that, I'm going to click on apply and go to next. You want to select the category of this particular job right now. Maybe if I do go on to CPA Grip and I do select this offer right here, you can see that this offer is just for a simple survey. They just simply have to submit their email address and zip code by going through a survey, and you do get paid $2.11 right here. So if I do head back to Sproutgigs right now, I'm just going to select maybe survey/offers right here, and if I do select that right now, guys, you could just simply put in the amount of questions that will be required for that offer. Maybe I'm just going to play safe and put this about 25 questions. Click on apply and go to next. And right here, guys, you want to simply give this a simple title right here. I'm just going to give it a title such as simple survey, completely simple survey. You want to just simply go on to put in what specific task needs to be completed. You could put in step 1, click on the link. So you could put in something like go to web page, and you can actually come right here to maybe CPA Grip, copy this particular link right here to this offer, head on to the tiny URL and actually shorten that particular URL. Click on shorten URL right now, copy the new URL, head back to your Sproutgigs and paste that right here. You put in step 1, go to web page, this web page. Step 2, complete simple survey. Answer the survey questions. That is the step 2 right now. So you could add in multiple steps right here, but I'm not going to add. I'm going to leave that as it is. I could just simply scroll right here to the proof section and select the proof which I actually want right here. I'm going to select the screenshot proof. I'm going to put in what I want them to screenshot, which is the survey completion page. And I've actually done that right now. I'm just going to go on to scrolling through. You could actually fill out other sections, but those are actually the important section which I did fill right now. I'm going to click on apply and go to next. Right now you want to leave this level on starter. This speed you're going to leave it on as it is right here. The workers needed, you can actually do this based on your preference. Maybe I want 1,000 workers. I'm just going to put in 1,000 right there. You could come right here, which is the maximum POS per worker. Leave it as it is right now. And right here, guys, how much each worker will earn. You want to just simply take note of that section right here and actually do go on to filling out something right now. So basically, based on how much each worker will earn, you could just simply go on to maybe checking out how much you will earn right here from this particular CPA marketing offer. If you're going to be earning about $2.31 right here, you could actually give them about 1/3 of that particular amount. Maybe you could just be generous enough to give them $1, and you'll be making a profit of $1.31. So if I head back to my Sproutgigs and actually do go on to giving them $1 right here, which is $1, as you can see, that is actually cool right now. So right now, guys, if I do come right here, you could see how much this job will actually cost right here. This is the estimated amount this job will cost. So you can actually do go on to funding your account if you don't have the money. But if you do have the money, you can actually complete micro jobs, which I showed you earlier, because you have actually generated some income, which can actually help you run this particular ad for micro jobs. Right here, actually putting a lot more amount of workers needed. You could reduce the amount if that is actually too much. Maybe if I do reduce that to about 100, you can actually see the amount right here is actually reduced, and you could easily generate that from those micro tasks which you actually completed earlier. And you could then just simply click on apply and go to next, and you can then go on to the next stage, which is the setting stage and the promotion stage, where you just simply go to promoting that on this particular platform. And once you do that, guys, your account will be listed, or your CPA marketing offer will be listed among one of these offers right here, and people will be able to see that and actually go on to completing such offers right here. And you do get paid from CPA Grip, but you're actually going to be giving them a portion, meaning that your profit right here from this particular offer is going to be about $1.31 for each person that actually completes that particular offer. So it's going to be a win-win right here. They're actually going to be making money by completing such offers, and you'll also be making some cool amount in turn. This is an amazing strategy which you could use to get thousands and thousands of leads to your CPA marketing offers. So I hope this video has been of help to you. If yes, just simply smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, and make sure your post notification bell is turned on all. Thank you all for watching. See you all in my next video, guys, and goodbye.